We now know that our securities regulators have not only missed opportunities to protect investors against massive losses from the most complex financial instruments like derivatives, but they have also missed the chance to protect them against the simplest of schemes, the Ponzi scheme. Clearly, our regulatory system has failed miserably, and we must rebuild it now.
CN FINRA. These financial statements showed $17 billion in assets and a one-man account.
When we talk about the Madoff scandal, it's really we're dealing with a crook. We're dealing with an individual who took people's money and lost it. He's a crook. He deserves to go to jail.
CN FINRA. These financial statements showed $17 billion in assets and a one-man account.
I want to know who is responsible for protecting the security investor, because I want to tell that person or those people whose job it is that they suck at it. So whose job is it to protect the security investor?
Congressman, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation becomes involved only after it has been determined that a brokerage firm has failed. We have no role prior to that.
So
we would look at very carefully as part of our review. I don't know that I could answer that question today before having completed the audits and investigations, but that is something certainly that must be carefully scrutinized.
Also, it has been suggested that we would like to think that there were some checks and balances in our complex regulatory system that would alert other regulators, the administration or Congress. Why did that not happen in this case?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we need to look at what was the information that the individuals within the SEC were aware of, and why was it that they took or didn't take the appropriate actions. So that is going to be the focus of my efforts.
And I hope this hearing will not be as much about, it'll be about the Madoff affair, but it should also be about a new regulatory structure. As we learned earlier this decade, when the Enron episode was followed in short order by WorldCom